Number one, we are going to look at the negative and the zero exponent properties. For a, we have x to the negative 10. Remember right here, this is a negative exponent of a negative 10. We're not allowed to do that. So imagine this as being over 1. Okay? So what needs to happen is that it has to go from the top of the fraction to the bottom of the fraction. So now it is an x and the exponent is 10. And there is a 1 on top. So notice now it becomes a positive value. Okay? So that would how it looks like. Next, this is the same thing here. This is really over 1 and we have to move it down of the exponent because we're not allowed to have a negative exponent. So it is 1 over parentheses 8y to the 20th. Okay? Because everything else was on top and it comes down. The exponent is really 1 here, but we don't really write the exponent of 1. Next, this is to the 0 power. Anything to the 0 power would just be 1. Okay? And there you go. That is how we apply the zero product property as well as the zero exponent property.